hello YouTube. Are you ready to dance with me? I hope so. Before we continue, please hit subscribe and like and follow and all that good stuff. It's really helpful for me, but also if you're enjoying my videos, it'd be great if you like it. And also release these videos each week for you guys. So please hit follow, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up as well, and let's dance together, okay? So today's video is all about the knee drops. So in my school, Minister BellyDance school, we call this the knee drop, and it's all about using the glutes and your abdominals, okay? To keep ourselves really strong in the hip movement, and also what I call the girly squats, because we're going to be working through our squats, working our bum cheek. If you've been watching my videos by now, you know how much I love to do squats, right? So we really squeeze the bum and really working our bum, but we put a little bit of flavour on top and dance it, so we use our hair as well. Okay, so without further ado, then let's crack on. So knee drops, what we do is you bend the knees, feet together, put the weight into the heels of the feet. So let's talk about the energy. So in my school, in Minister BellyDance school, we have the energy, and it's like two energies, but they alternate. So you have hips down, which is the first one, weight in the middle of the heels of the feet, and then ribs and chest up, shoulders down, and head and neck up. Okay, so this is the idea, is down, up, squeeze the belly, halfway tummy pump. You should know that by now too if you've been watching my videos. If you're new to me, you'll get used to all this sort of stuff. Okay, and from there we're just going to alternate the legs. So imagine you're standing in the middle of a clock and you want to face 12 o'clock. Everything, your nose, your chest, your belly button, your hip bones, your knees, your toes, everything is facing 12 o'clock if you were standing in the middle of a clock. A round clock, of course. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to add on our glute squeezes. Your glutes, aka your bum cheeks, are your best friend in belly dance in particular, okay? So we use them for many reasons, but in my school you learn how to do it properly. These are your tutorials for YouTube for some fun. So what we're going to do is, if I go to this side, this is my right leg, if I go to the side, I squeeze this bum cheek. When I go to this side, my left, I squeeze my left bum cheek. So get your arms out into classical position, smile, and then we have 1, 2. Make sure you're not lifting your heels. Keep the heels flat on the floor and squeeze your bottom as hard as you can. Shoulders are down. And 1, 2. So if you like my tutorials, but you'd like to learn with me in person, and you'd like to have feedback and all that good stuff, okay? So I give you feedback, help, tips, advice. We have loads of fun together. Come to my live stream Zoom classes. You can join anytime from anywhere in the world, okay? Just check your time zone. All of my classes are available, from belly dance, all the levels from beginners to advanced, Latin, Odi Tahiti, tribal from a trap, which is my style, tribal fusion. And this music also happens to be tribal from the trap, okay? So you can come and dance with me live from anywhere in the world. You have also recordings to the access to the recordings. Let me say that again. Access to the recordings after class, okay? So you can practice in your own time from wherever you are in the world. Okay, so squeeze, squeeze. Make sure your heels are not pumping, okay? Go. 1, 2. Arms soft. Make sure you're not gripping and tensing and seizing and doing all of this. Otherwise, it's impossible to isolate, okay? So 1, 2. Squeeze your bottom. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Breathe. Smile. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. No bouncing. Breathe. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to just roll the shoulders a little bit. So YouTube is excellent for random one-off tutorials like this, but if you want to learn properly and make a lot of progress and learn lots and lots and lots, then come to my school, melissabellydance.com is the place to go, and train with me online on Zoom. What I do is when you're on Zoom live, I give you lots of feedback, and my classes are so fun. They're very interactive, so you come and dance with me. And if you like the clothes that I wear these days in my videos, you can get them at cavisi.com. That's CAVICEA.com, cavisi.com. All right, so now we've rolled our shoulders a little bit. I want us to warm up our neck. So you're looking side to side. Don't forget your posture. Down with the hips, up with the ribs, down with the shoulders, lengthen the neck. And you always want to keep your neck as long as you can. In fact, you're trying to keep your body as long as you can the whole time, even though you're in demi-plie, which is a baby bend. Okay, and now what I want us to do is just going to toss your hair. So in my school, I always say to everybody, imagine it doesn't matter how long or short your hair is, I'm going to use this as a visual to help you understand the flow in the body and which way we do it, okay? So if you imagine you're advertising shampoo or conditioner or some kind of hair product, okay? And you would just want to swish your hair around. So we're going to place our hands on our thighs. We're going to push our butt back as if we're doing a squat. Yeah. And guess where your weight is? In the heels of the feet, okay? And from here, I want you to toss your hair from one shoulder to the other. So I'm going to look this way. I'm going to swish. And I need to look this way. Have to stay folded for the purpose of our exercise, okay? Don't look at me and do it, because you're going to look really stiff, okay? You need to trust yourself and look to the side. And that way, all of your hair, if you've got long hair, should be over one shoulder. Okay, and then the other side. All right? Okay, so now we bounce, bounce. These are our squats. In my school, we work a lot on our glutes, our bum cheeks. For many reasons, I explain why properly in classes, in courses, and we learn how to really use our bum to get the best out of our movements, also for many other reasons as well. So come to my school, I teach you properly. In the meantime, you just pulse, pulse, check where your weight is, make sure it's in the heels, make sure you're not doing this. This, okay? Tummy strong. 8, 7, 6, 5. We're gonna add in the hair toss. So you have bounce 1, 2, toss 1. Every 2 bounces, you're tossing. 1, 2, and then you relax. So for example, I like to use my shoulders a little bit. 1, 2. 1, make sure knees are bent. 1, 2. 1, if you get dizzy, be careful. Okay, and then we're gonna do a dramatic drop. My knees are bent. Yep. And then I'm gonna bring my leg in, like this. Bring your leg in, and as you do that, your arms are gonna cross, cross, keep the knees bent, pull the tummy in, and head last. And look, this is something else that I do, is a signature for me and my school when we're dancing. To get our hair out of the way, we go like this, and then the hair will fall everywhere nicely, or it should do, okay? So we're gonna do knee drops, we're gonna step out, and we're gonna go into the tosses. Let's try it. So float the arms out to the side. 1, let's go slowly first. 3, squeeze your bottom. When you go to this side, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Bounce, 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 bounce. We're gonna do our dramatic drop, drop, and roll up. So I lied. When I drop, I bring my leg in, yeah? So just bring the leg in a little bit earlier. Let's do it again. Ready, posture, sit, weight into the heels of the feet, tummy, chest, and out. 6, 7, and 1, 2. Squeeze your bottom. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, 2. Squeeze your bottom. 5, 6, 7, 8. Together, drop. Rise, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze, squeeze, bend the knees. 7, 8. Toss. 1, 2, 3. Nice and relaxed. Squeeze your bum. 5, 6. Last time. Drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might need to tidy your hair on the way down, but stylize it out. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay here. Option 1, just stay this speed and maybe turn from the screen so you're not distracted by my speed. Option 2, if you're ready to try it, we're going to go a little bit faster. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2. Make some shape. 5, 6, 7. Release. Okay, so that's some knee drops. Alternating with some squats and hair tosses. Working on our butt cheeks. Strong bum is everything, especially for the style of dance that I'm teaching you guys and my approach to it to help you have the best technique possible. So I hope you enjoy it. Please, 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 pretty please, hit subscribe, like, follow, give me a thumbs up. Any special requests for any videos and any topics you'd like me to cover, message me and I will try my best to do them for you guys. Yeah, and let me know how you're doing. If you tag me in the videos, if you do my videos and you'd like to tag me in them, I'd love to see. So you can tag me on Facebook, it's Melissa BellyDance, and on Instagram it's @MelissaBellyDance, same as it's spelled in my YouTube page, okay? So come find me, follow me, send me your videos, I'd love to see. In the meantime, see you next time. Bye.